In the north of Spain, nested between the mountains and the Cantabrian Sea, you find the unique city of Santander. Famous for the homonymous bank, its engineering university, beaches, and surf. Famous also for ERZIA, the lead manufacturer of microwave and RF amplifiers, integrated assemblies, and other complex subsystems. The 20-year company has made a name for itself in the space, radar, and electronic warfare industries. At ERZIA, we are not shy about disclosing the secret to our achievements: our people. Our products have powered missions to Moon and Mars, but we know that our team is really the heart of our success. ERZIA is growing exponentially, and we are looking for kindred spirits with a passion for engineering and commitment to reliability. Do you want to make your mark in RF engineering? Do you value a healthy work-life balance? Are you a team worker with a can-do attitude? Your talent, our innovation. Together, let's redefine what's possible. Visit erzia.com to apply today.